Do you even have the game downloaded?
Oh yeah. I'm just not online yet. There it is.
Oh, there you are. I don't know if you want to take the moment to go through the tutorials. They're just like videos.
Tutorials. Let's do it.
Oh. Well, let's do it with AI. So we can,
right.
mainly so we can get a feel for it, you know. Play, find games, custom games, solo play. Ooh, all right. Create party. Okay, that's a weird way to. That's a weird way to create a party. What is with that woman's eyes? Her face, it's like baby face spice or something. Oh, there you are. I see you. I wonder if I do solo play, would that drag you in too?
Go ahead and try it. Go on. Say something.
Something.
Close enough. Okay. Ladies and my computer is booting. Jeez. Okay.
Boondies? What?
My computer is booting. Jeez. I'm quoting thinking.
What the? No.
Is that a duck?
What? Oh, now Pinky's back online.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Are you in by chance or?
Yeah. Wait, what happened?
You see anything?
Oh, I thought I was hopped onto the thing earlier, but.
You in game? Yes. No.
Let me change the video stuff resolution.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Fuck that shit!
I was balancing your freaking audio.
Let me turn it down. There we go.
Bob. I don't want to see Bob. He's Bob.